Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if USB is not recognized and not supported in your device Samsung Z Flip 3. So to fix this problem, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix USB not supported and not recognized problem in your device Samsung Z Flip 3.